Hey loves, we're back again with another Making the Smith Cave, and here he is. We ordered some TronVision Jumbotron. Let's get into it. And let's get into this TronVision. We ordered a Jumbotron for our Smith Cave, and we had to go ahead and put it together. Yes, it comes in many pieces, but it's worth it at the end. This is just like a video of us putting it together. If you haven't checked out our Smith Cave video of us actually turning our basement into Smith Cave, I'll definitely link that above. But go ahead, check us out. I'm not doing like an explanation of putting it together, but I did love the process. Ordering it was easy. It shipped pretty fast, and this big box came directly from TronVision, where the TVs slash monitors came from Best Buy, but it's all part of the package. I didn't have to order separate anything. They took care of that. They also help you with the design. If you're not sure, most people do like sports teams, but this is what we did. We did Smith Cave. As you can see, we got Smith everywhere just to pretty much get our Smith Cave together. So sit back, enjoy. This is a short video, and as you can see, established 2001. As you can see, it's coming along really well. My husband and my son are putting together. These are Fire TVs. It also comes with an HDMI switcher, so you can either watch the same thing on all four TVs, or you can watch whatever app you want on each individual TV. So the same thing at all time, or four different things, or two and two, or one and three, however you choose to do it. This is another sign that we had made. Smith Cave, Smith on the side, again established in 2001. That is me and my boo's year. They're just putting the top on there. It does come with, again, everything that you need, all the mounts, everything. Now, all four of these lights can be controlled either on the app, or you can just hit the switch there. I love the fact that I was able to program my pictures on there, and I did get them all in sync. I love that. Smith Cave 2001. Those are the blue lights. Thank y'all for watching. Until next time, bye.